In the UK, the informal gig economy is thought to employ over 4 million workers, with more than 900,000 on 0-hours contracts. Employers claim that these working arrangements enable flexibility for employers and workers, but workers are often poorly paid and live with the uncertainty about paying next month's bills. Researchers at the University of Essex conducted an online experiment funded by the Nuffield Foundation to examine worker preference for stability or flexibility. They wanted to understand if uncertainty about work availability was likely to discourage people from working. Low-income, working-age participants were asked to repeatedly choose between transcribing a text for pay or accepting a lower fixed payment, a benefit, and then finish the experiment early. For one group of participants, work was always available. For another group, work availability was determined by a coin toss, representing a 50% chance. The experiment mimicked the option of working predictable, standardized hours versus 0 hours. Would participants choose certainty, taking less pay in the form of benefits, or opt for flexibility, much like a 0 hours contract? They found that participants in the first group were much more likely to choose to work even when their pay rate was lower than the other group. In the second group, the more choices they made and learned about the situation, the more the participants opted to take the lower benefit rather than complete the task for a higher payment. The research indicates that, from a worker's perspective, work flexibility is less attractive than work certainty, and workers will avoid flexibility they have no control over where possible.